Picture the most beautiful Christmas garland you've ever seen. Maybe it was draped over a grand staircase or framing a cozy fireplace. Now, what if you could create that exact same high-end look yourself? And what if you could do it using things from your own garden and a few craft supplies? This year, let's skip the generic store-bought decorations and make something truly special. We're going to take simple, natural greenery and turn it into 5 incredible garlands that look like they were made by a pro. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to craft a holiday masterpiece that's all you. So, grab your shears, and let's get into it. One, the classic natural evergreen foundation. First things first, let's build a strong base. The secret to a really lush, expensive-looking garland is a solid evergreen foundation. I like to start with something flexible, like a white pine twig base, because you can easily bend it into shape. To get that full, dense look, you'll want to make several small bundles of greenery, with 3 or 4 sprigs in each. Start attaching these bundles to your base with green floral wire, wrapping it tightly around the stems 2 or 3 times to keep everything locked in. As you add more bundles, overlap them over the stems of the last one. This hides the wire and makes it look like one seamless, flowing piece of greenery. Here's where the magic really happens. Mix different types of evergreens. If you use pine or cedar as your main green, try adding in some juniper for its pretty berries, or even eucalyptus for its amazing texture and scent. Layering like this not only creates some serious visual interest, but it also makes your whole house smell like Christmas. If you notice your garland looking a bit thirsty, especially in a warm house, just give it a light mist with water every few days to keep it fresh. The result is a stunning, all-natural garland that really celebrates the season. 2. Natural materials with dried citrus and spices. Ready to add a little warmth and nostalgia? This next garland is a treat for the senses, mixing that green base with the incredible smell of dried citrus and spices. To make your own dried citrus, just slice oranges into 1/4-inch rounds, pat them dry with a paper towel, and lay them out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them at a low temperature, somewhere around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 3 to 4 hours. Don't forget to flip them halfway through so they dry out evenly. For some extra holiday fragrance, you can even sprinkle them with a little cinnamon before they go in the oven. Once your orange slices have cooled, it's time to put it all together. Using a big needle and some twine, start stringing your citrus slices. You can keep it simple and modern with a strand of just oranges, or you can mix it up by adding fresh cranberries, cinnamon sticks, or bay leaves for more texture and color. You'll end up with a garland that not only looks gorgeous with its warm, earthy tones but also fills the room with a beautiful scent that just screams festive. Drape it across your mantel, wrap it around the tree, or use it as a centerpiece on your holiday table. 3. The Luxe Evergreen with modern metallics. If you're looking to turn up the glamour, this one's for you. We're taking that classic evergreen garland and giving it a modern, luxurious feel with some metallic accents. The trick is to play with the contrast between the rustic, natural greenery and the sleek shine of metal. Start with your full evergreen base, and then let the fun begin. Try weaving in a strand of warm white fairy lights to give your garland a soft, sophisticated glow from within. Then, start adding your metallic elements. You could string some bronze bells on a piece of twine and layer them into the greenery for a vintage touch. For something a bit more modern, try weaving in geometric brass pieces and wooden beads. And don't be afraid to mix your metals. Gold, silver, and bronze together can look incredibly chic. To finish it off, add a wide, luxurious ribbon. Velvet ribbons in deep jewel tones like emerald green or burgundy will add a final touch of texture and elegance. This style is perfect for a mantel, an entryway, or even woven into a light fixture for a real show-stopping moment. 4. The Minimalist Scandinavian Statement. For those of you who believe less is more, the minimalist Scandinavian style is pure, understated elegance. This look is all about simplicity, natural materials, and clean lines that create a calm and cozy holiday vibe. The idea isn't to stuff every corner with decor, but to let a few special pieces really shine. Start with a simple, high-quality evergreen garland. Instead of loading it up with ornaments, pick just 1 or 2 accent elements. A delicate string of wooden beads mixed with a few sprigs of eucalyptus can create a look that feels both festive and peaceful. Or you could weave in a simple paper leaf garland in white or a muted color for a touch of handmade charm. This style is all about texture and neutral, earthy tones. Think soft whites, grays, and natural greens. You can hang a single, beautiful garland around a stylish chair or over an arched doorway to make a subtle but strong statement. It's proof that you don't need a lot of flash to create something truly beautiful. 5. The mixed media masterpiece. And finally, if you're ready for the ultimate showstopper, let's make a mixed media masterpiece. This garland is all about letting your creativity run wild and combining all sorts of textures and materials for a look that's layered, rich, and totally you. This is your chance to go all out. Start with that lush evergreen foundation and just start layering. Weave in your dried orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and pine cones for that rustic, natural feel. Then, add a little sparkle with some metallic bells or a string of elegant pearl ornaments. Bring it to life by weaving in a strand of warm fairy lights to make all those different textures pop, and finish it off with a gorgeous ribbon. You could even add personal touches, like clipping on vintage Christmas cards with tiny clothespins. This garland is so versatile. Wrap it around pillars for a grand welcome, frame your front door, or lay it down the center of your dining table as a stunning runner. It's the perfect way to express your personal style and create a garland that tells your story. So, which one of these ideas is sparking some holiday creativity for you this year? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you're planning. And if you want to fill your home with more beautiful, handmade decorations, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Making your own Christmas garland is such a rewarding project, and it adds a personal touch to your holiday decorating that you just can't buy. Whether you love the simple beauty of natural evergreens or the glam sparkle of mixed metallics, the best garland is always the one that reflects your style and brings you joy. We hope these ideas have inspired you to get creative this season. Thanks for watching, and happy decorating!